December 2024, I paid $10,000 ለፔስ ሞርቢ ሜንቶርሺፕ sub to community የሚባል look it up. $10,000. This is not my first time. I paid thousands ከዚህ በፊትም ግን ይሄን $10,000 ስከፍል one of my friend አውቄ ነው የምነግረው I know his response ምን እንደሚሆን $10,000 ከፈልኩ ፔስ ሞርቢ ቲም ጆይን አደረኩኝ ሜንቶርሺፕ ስለው this is what he said. ትቀልዳለህ እንዴ? Like he couldn't believe emotion like as if I'm crazy. አንተ አይበቃም እንዴ ስንት እንዴት ነው $10,000 የምትከፍለው ፋሚሊ ያለ አንተ why? Because he knows December last year I came up from zero March ላይ 2024 ከዜሮ to scratch long story but ከዜሮ ጀምሬ ታክለዲቼ ምናምን just struggling so he knows my struggle አኮኩቤን የተነሳሁት ከዜሮ ማለት ነው with 4 kids family house you know ከዜሮ ተነስቼ ዲሴምበር የደረስኩት so ዲሴምበር ስደርስ he thinks I'm reckless as ያን $10,000 እንደዚህ ሜንቶርሺፕ ለሰው ስከፍል so I can never forget his face reaction ትቀልዳለህ ብሎ ደንግጧል driving over እየነዳ ማለት ነው guess what last December first ሁለት ሳምንትም አልቆይም my first deal ሳገኝ እዛ ቲም ገብቼ ፔስ ሞርቢ because before I used to do real estate back before the crash I was very successful in Chicago real estate እና I knew the idea ግን more ፔስ ሞርቢ የሚያስተምረው ትንሽ ዲፍረንት ነው creative finance ነው ትንሽ you know I did buy my first property in Skokie Illinois creative finance ግን I don't think that's a scalable business ዝም ብሎ እንደ ፔስ 2000 ምናምን ፕሮፐርቲ በክሬቲቭ ፋይናንስ የሚደረግ አልመሰለኝም ነበር anyways a couple of weeks already first deal back to back ሁለት ዲል አገኘው couple of weeks one of the deal was in a condo in Chicago Illinois near Wrigley Field ወይ Boys Town Chicago ምትኖሩ የምታውቁት this is Belmont እና Southport beautiful condo I managed to get it for $290,000 ከሴትዮዋ ጋር agreement long story ነው የምነግራችሁ ፈጠን አድርጌ because I don't want to tell you the whole process anyways 290 ከሴትዮዋ ጋር back and forth a month 290 she decided to sell for 290 ገዛ ነው immediately not even a month 465,000 wholesale አደረግነው we're talking about a gross 170 ምናምን ሺህ net after fees ምናምን 154,000 my first deal 154,000 cash of course ጓደኛዬ ሲያይ ምንም no captionም አያስፈልጉም nothing necessary you already knew ግን point was of course I didn't say anything point was sometimes doesn't matter what other people say of course እኔ ስነግረው ራሱ አይ ነው ምን እንደሚል ስለማቅ ነው የምነግረው I don't let other people decide እኔ የማደርገውን ነገር because most people they're not prepared እንደዚህ አይነት ሪስክ የማይወስዱም they don't even want to hear it they will not understand it so understand እንዲያረጉም መጠየቅ የለባችሁም so people አርገው ማታውቀው ከሆነ you will never understand ስለዚህ it doesn't have to be that big deal አሁን every deal እኔ የማገኘው እንደዛ ነው ማለት አይደለም $10,000 $20,000 ዲል አለ that's fine ግን multiple six figure deal already since ከጀመርኩ ዘግቻለሁ so the point is it's possible doable this is not a theory every day የምናደርገው ነገር ነው ላይፍ መቀየር ከፈለክ እዚህ ጋር መጻፍ አስቀምጬልሃለሁ get it how to buy property with zero money ይሄንን ካጠና በኋላ lifetime membership ኤፍሬም ስቱዲዮ ታገኛለህ $19 a month ነው you don't have to pay so መተህ አብረን ብር መስራት ላይፍ መቀየር ይችላል we can collaborate አብረን joint venture እያደረግን you can meet other people like minded የሆኑ ማለት ነው እንደዚህ አብረውን የሚሰሩ አድሚኖች አሉ so ላይፍን የመቀየር opportunityም አለ facilityም አለ you can do it you got to take action ቅድም እንዳወራ ነው same ነገር እያደረክ different ነገር አይፈጠርም so hopefully this is today አንተ አክሽን የምትወስድበት click the book sharp ነው በልና ቤት ይመጣልሃል read the book couple hours ጨርሰው ትችላለህ let's say couple days ፈጀብህ come join us and hope to see you on the other side yeah man